Within Ordoro, we track a few different quantities in relation to inventory. This helps you know exactly what you have available to sell and what you have on hand. The quantities that we track are the physical on-hand quantity in your warehouses, the quantities committed to open orders, and the quantity available to sell. You can easily see the totals for each of these across all of your warehouses, or you can dig into the breakdown per warehouse. This tutorial will show you how to find these quantities and explain exactly what they mean. So our quantities are tracked here in the products section. You'll see we have the products in each row, and then we have the columns are the different quantities and everything. So you'll see we have the physical on hand, available, committed, and reordered. The physical on hand is what you have physically sitting in your warehouse. So if you were to go to the shelf, you should be able to count 999 of this product on the shelf. The committed quantity here is what is on open orders. So how many orders do you have for what quantity do you have ordered for that product? And then the available quantity is the difference between the physical on hand and the committed, and this is what is available to sell. So this is the quantity typically that would be writing back to your sales channel. We also have this reordered quantity. This is if you have any open purchase orders for this product, you'll be able to see how many you've reordered in relation to what you currently have on hand. Now, right now we're looking at this and it's collapsed. We're just seeing the totals across all of our warehouses. However, if we expand one product, we can see the different breakdown of those quantities across the different warehouses. So right now, of those 42 committed orders, they are all going to be fulfilled from this first warehouse. But you can always reassign that on the order level. And then you'll see that there aren't any available actually in this warehouse, so maybe we need to move some from this warehouse to that one. You can also expand all rows with this button up here and see this breakdown for all of your products. And you'll see typically this available on hand quantity matches the write back quantity that's going to your different carts. And that's basically all there is to it, to the different quantities that we track. If you have any questions about that ever, please reach out to us. We'll be happy to go into more depth. Thanks for watching.